Good morning, tubers. I was recently asked by a subscriber if I'd show how I fabricated my HatCam. So, if y'all stick around, I'll get her done. Before you start the installation, you're going to need a few tools. Standard Phillips head screwdriver, and I got a variable speed drill. That's it. Next, you need some basic hardware. There's a little round GoPro mount, 1/4-inch thread. Here's a 1/4-inch thread, 1/2-inch long Phillips head screw, and a finish washer. Both of these are stainless steel. Because I'm around the salt all the time, I hate stuff rusting. To finish up the installation, drill yourself a hole. It's approximately 1/2 inch from the dome on the visor. Half-inch long screw, finish washer, put it underneath, get your mount, and as you can see, I've aligned it with the middle part of the stitching and the button on the top of the hat. Now you'll have to adjust the camera to record what you want, depending on where your head is focused, but you pretty much want it no more than 3/8 of an inch up from parallel to the top of the hat. Now down here in Florida, this sun is brutal on this water. So to help me with the filming, to keep this hat stable, the camera stable, I use a hoodie. I got my Polaroid glasses. I got this hoodie completely around my face and my neck to stop any type of skin poisoning. And as you can see, I brought the hoodie over top of the hat to the button, which pretty much gimbal. But you've got to learn that you can't be doing real quick motion with this. Everything is precise and controlled when you're making head movements. Otherwise, you're going to make people sick looking at their videos. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the flip. See ya.